Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to record your Google Meet class for free. Now whether it's a webinar classes or just a personal class that you have and you want to record it and keep it for personal references or future use. So whether you are a teacher or a student, this video is for you. So without further delay, let's get started. Now as you can see here, this is my Google Chrome and you can see I'm on the Google Meet. As I'm on the Google Meet, just in order for us to be able to record the class, before we do that, let's install an extension. Let's download and install this extension, which will allow us to be able to do the recording. Now just add a new page and then search on your search bar, just search Chrome Store. Right. So once you search Chrome Store, you can see the outcome here. So just click on it, click on Chrome Web Store. Right. So in here, you just search screen recorder, search screen recorder. So once we search screen recorder, you can see that this is the screen recorder that I'll be using. So you can search, once you search, it will be listed within your search query. Once I just search on that, so just click on it. And as you can see, this is it. So screen li. So scroll down, and as you can see, we have an overview of this. So you can just see these are videos where you can just play, and it's going to show you an example on how to use it. So but just in order not to delay, just click on add to Chrome. So click on add to Chrome. You can see the option here. So yes, add to extension. Right, so you can see that it's now downloading. Once you click on the add extension, you can see that here it's downloading, and after the download it will automatically install by itself. It is done now installing. Right, so you can see that it's now been installed, and these are just a brief introductory on how to make it visible on your toolbar. Now once that we have installed it, so just if it is not displayed on your toolbar, you can see this icon here. So just click on this icon, and which is the extension, and then you can see it is now listed within. So once you just seen it, just click on this pin, and then it is going to pin it onto your toolbar. Right, so now once we pin it, you can see that it is here. So what we now have to do is that now let's go back to our Google Meet class. Already we had the Google Meet here. Now let's start with the new class. So once you join, so if you're a teacher, you just create the new class. Or if you are a student, at the end, once your teacher create the link, he will share you the link, and then you should be able to record. So let's start to create the new meeting. Now create new meeting, and then we have start an instant meeting. Click on that. Right, so as you can see, this is just Google Chrome is asking me to allow to use my microphone and camera. So just click on that. Right, allow while you're visiting this, or allow this time. So you can allow in depending on your preference. My class is being created. So, and as you can see here, now I have here, you can share the link to any person who wants to join the class. But just in my case, this is just an exemplary case, so we can close this. Now that our class is ongoing, and whatever our webinar is ongoing, we have to do the recordings. And in order for us to do the recordings, just as we pin the screen recorder here, so just click on it. As it drops down, you can see we now have it here. We have visible entire page, but what we want to do specifically, we are going to be recording. So click on the record video. So as you can see, we have here current tab, desktop or application. What we need is that the current tab is just only going to record our browser tab, which the class is ongoing, and the desktop is just going to record the whole of my pages. Whatever that I'm doing on different pages is going to record all that, and applications, which is going to be on a specific application. But what I need is that we are just going to be using the current tab, which we only going to be recording our Google Meet. And then we have here our mic, record our mic. Whatever that I'm going to be saying, it should record that. And then we have our sound here. Whoever that is speaking on the call should also be recorded, and then our webcam. So that is if you want the camera to be viewing, also be showing, so you can enable that in addition, or if you don't like that, you can just leave it off. But in my case, I will just leave that off. I don't want my camera to be showing on my screen. So once you enable this, you can see that this pop-up comes up here. So you just have to allow the application to be able to use your microphone and camera. So once you allow again, just go back to the app again and click on the record. Right now, as you can see, they are automatically enabled, and then we can now start with the recording. Click on start recording. So, and as you can see, it's now recording, and you can see here on the app here, you can see that we have the time is reading. It has started recording, right? So now one advantage of this application is extension is that you can use it to manipulate whatever that you are doing. So let's say you are the teacher and you need some demonstrations on your screen whilst the class is ongoing. So you can select a color here and then click on, maybe select your color, and then now select your pen and demonstrate whatever that you want to be doing here, right? And this one is just a pointer. So once you click on a pointer, so let's assume that you are pointing something or just want the student to be able to see whatever that you are doing. So you can just enable that and then pinpoint there. You can see that once I pinpoint there, the color is now showing, right? So that is just it. And this one is also an eraser. So whatever that I've done here, so I can just clean it here, or I can just click on this delete button so that it will clear everything, right? So that is just how easy and simple it is to record your Google Meet class. Now that it's recording, for us to have it as a video and keep it for future references, or maybe you can download it and send it to whoever that you want to send it to. So I can just click on the extension again, just on the icon on your icons bar here. Just click on the extension, and then you can see that we have stop recording. So click on stop recording. So now this is just as we have just stopped recording. It opens a new tab for us to be able to download our video, right? So this is the video, so you can just view it, you can just play it along and see whatever that you have done. So stop this, and as you can see, it's now recording. You can see that the video is just here on the app here. You can see that we have the time is reading. Stop this, and then now we can download it here. So click on download. You can leave your review on about the app, so but just click on the page, and now our video has been downloaded. So just click on this, and then you can see that this is our video. So click on this to open the video, and this is our video. So let's open it for you to see what we have done so far. So double click to open it. So, and as you can see, it's now recording, right? And you can see here on the app here, right? So you can see that that is just the video that we have downloaded. So if you want to send this to the student or send it to a friend of yours, you can send this whole video to whoever that you want to be sent it to. So that is just how easy and simple it is to record your Google Meet. Whether you are the teacher or a student, you should be able to use this. If you have any questions or anything with regards to this app, the installation, or if you are having challenges, leave it in the comment section. I will reply to it directly. So if this video was helpful, kindly leave us a like and don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you on our next one. Peace out.